Hi, it's me, Gareth from Port Monkeys. I'm making a brief video here because somebody asked me about laundry, self-serve laundry, or laundromats on Princess ships. And so on most all passenger cabin decks, there is a laundromat. Sometimes there's two, one on each side. Sometimes they go all the way through. I'm on deck 8. And here it is. Now this is one of the ones that goes all the way through, right? So, 2 washers, 2 dryers on each this side, 2 washers, 2 dryers on that side. There's a TV also. I turned it off because somebody has it turned up really loud. So how do these work? Well, first of all, and I noticed that it wasn't working when we walked in. So 4 washers, 4 dryers total. You would get tokens out of this machine. I'm going to push English. So washers are $3, dryers are $3, and vending products are $1.50. And you use your medallion on there to charge stuff. Okay? And then you put the tokens will come out of here. Yep. $1.50, $1.50, $3, $3. Of course, it's a token. It's a single token that goes in there. And this place is pretty busy today. You also have ironing boards. And this one needs a new cover maybe, or needs to be tightened. But the irons have timers. So you got to turn the timer and then it'll heat up. This one's not getting warm. I don't know if it's working. There's also spray water. I would say be careful because I once used one of their irons on a ship. You see that right there? And I put it on my clothes and it left black streaks everywhere. When I'm finished with them, I always turn the timer off. Of course, the time will run out of time anyway and turn off itself. But that's what the deal is. That's how they work on Princess ships, and they're almost all the same. You know what I mean? The Princess ships. $3 to wash, $3 to dry, $1.50 for soap, and $1.50 for fabric softener. Before we became elite and got free laundry, we used to always bring our own soap and fabric softener. So, I'm Gareth, saying I'll see you in the next port. Bye, and I hope that helped.